Hi guys, this is Dave's Art Channel. I'm Dave from TKN Gaming. If you didn't know, the link's going to be down in the description. Only if you're old enough. Because this channel's going to be more based on family friendly and tutorials and learning how to draw. We're going to be starting off like simple, like how I draw the basic face construction and everything else. Like they're using basic shapes that everybody knows, and then recreating and designing yourself or your parents or your partner or whoever. Then we're going to be going into a few bodies and drawing body parts and stuff like that. So hopefully that will come in handy, and we'll combine both of them and see what we can come up with. I'm hoping that this is gonna spawn off to a hell of a lot more interesting subjects that we can talk about. We can criticize our own artwork within the community as a family, because that's what I want to try and create as a family on here, and helping each other up. And when someone's struggling to maybe give help and whatnot, and that's what I'm here for. So if anyone's got any suggestions that they want to learn how to draw, then please leave in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you. I will organize a video so we can talk about it. If I don't know about it, we can learn together. I'm not by far the best artist YouTuber on here. I'm being honest, but I'm willing to learn, and I want to take you on the journey with me, and that's what I really want to do. I want to take you with me and see where it goes. But we're going to be creating some fantastic pieces of artwork because I'm going to go back through all my college and uni years, and then go through that and then seeing what project I thought was really fun to do, and we can talk about it. I'm gonna have my kids, Mini Dave and Mini Dave. They're gonna be a part of this channel. Hopefully, my wife will be too, so we can all have like a family activity and drawing and everything else. So hopefully that will be something to look forward to, and well, hopefully that my kids will inspire the younger generation to take art as a career, maybe. I'm not gonna lie, if I can get to one person to get somewhere in the art world, of whether or not it's designing posters or doing game design or whatever, because that's what I want to do as well. I want to go back into animation. So let's hope that works out for us as well. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this channel. I know I'm enjoying making these videos, by the way, so I'm really looking forward to it. Um, and that's all I can say, really. So until the first tutorial, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next episode of Draw with Dave. I like the ring of that. Dave likes that. It gets a Dave approval thumbs up. Complimentary cheesy grin. Anyway, I've been Dave signing off. See you in the first episode and lesson 1 on the faces. Peace!